Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So we have
Afternoon.
Kiki, Max, Bua. Let's know the name. Okay, Pum. Who else? Who is this? Omsin. Game. Do you have your videos? You can turn on your video so I can see you. So we can see your face. Okay? Okay, there is Phil. Who else? Sugat. Okay. So how are you today?
Good.
Good. You can unmute your mic, okay? Unmute your mic so you can talk. Let's talk first before we have our lesson.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Phil. Very good. Today we have 13 students. Let's wait for others, okay? Are you guys ready? Do you want to start or let's wait for the others? Okay, we have 16 now. There is Best. Jenny, T-Game. Okay, please turn on your videos.
No.
Turn on your camera. Okay, so I think we can start. Our topic, our subject for today is math, and our topic is about it's about properties of numbers. So before we go on with our topic, here are some vocabularies. Can you please read after me? Please unmute your microphone so you can read after me. Okay, the first one is order.
Order.
Good?
Order.
Next, sum.
Order.
Sum. Okay. Product. Next, product. Okay, next is remain. Remain. Next is difference or difference. Next, regardless. Regardless. Next is add. And the last word is multiply. Okay. Can you read it again without me? First one.
Order.
Next. Sorry. Wait. Okay, the next one. Sum. Very good. Next. Product. Okay, next. Remain. Next.
Difference.
Difference. Very good. Regardless. Very good. Next. Add. And the last one is multiply. So what do order means? What does it mean in Thai? Okay. Sum. What is sum? Very good. Product. Okay. Remain. What is remain? Difference. Regardless. Okay. Add. Multiply. Okay. So let's go on now. So introduction. In this lesson, we are going to study the different properties of numbers. So how many properties of numbers do you think we have? Can anyone guess? No one? Okay, so let's go on. There are three basic properties of numbers. The first one is commutative property. Again, commutative property. The second one is associative property. Again, associative property. And the third one is distributive property. Again, distributive property. So here are the definitions of these properties of numbers. The first one is commutative property. So what does it mean? When two numbers are added or multiplied in any order, the sum or product remains the same. Do you understand this sentence?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So if you think your background is too noisy, can you please mute your microphone? Can you read the meaning of commutative property all together? Ready? 1, 2, 3. When two numbers are added or multiplied in any order, the sum or product remains the same. Okay. Next, we have the associative property. Associative property. When three or more numbers are added or multiplied, the sum or product will remain the same regardless how the numbers are grouped. Okay, in commutative, we only have two numbers. Okay, it says here two numbers. In associative property, we have three or more. Okay, three or more numbers. The next one is distributive property. Product of the sum or difference of two numbers is the same as the sum or difference of their product. So we will go on with this in the next slide so you will understand how it is. So let's go on first with commutative property. So in commutative property, we have two. We have addition and multiplication. What is addition? Addition. Again, add. Okay. And what is multiplication? Okay. Very good. Thank you so much for answering. So the first one is commutative property of addition. So when two numbers are added in any order, the sum remains the same. Here is an example. Okay. So it is written as 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3 equals, what is their sum? What will we get? 5. So even if we put or arrange them in different order, they still have the same sum or they have the same answer. You understand? You
Yes.
understand? Yes, because at the end of this slide, I'm going to ask you some questions and I will let you give some examples. Example
Okay.
for commutative property of addition. We have 9 plus 5 equals 5 plus 9. What is the sum of these numbers?
14.
14. Very good. Next, we have 37 plus 12 equals 12 plus 37. If we add these numbers, what can we get? What is our number?
49. 49.
49. Very good. Next, we have 3 plus 14 equals 14 plus 3. What is our number?
14.
What will be our answer?
17.
If we add 3 plus 14,
17.
17.
17.
Thank you. Other students, please answer, okay? You know how to add. Next, we go with commutative property of multiplication. What is multiplication again? What is multiplication? Multiply.
Cool.
Okay. So when two
Cool.
numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. Okay. Here is an example. Okay. So if we write this in numbers, we will get 2 times 4 equals 4 times 2. So if we multiply these two numbers, what will be our product?
8.
8. Very good. This is very hard. Okay, here are some other examples. So 3 times 6 equals 6 times 3. What is our answer?
18.
Okay, so if we multiply 3 times 6, we get 18. If we multiply 6 times 3, we will also get 18. Next, we have 5 times 7 equals 7 times 5. What is our product?
35.
35. Very good. Very good, Kiki. Next, we have 20 times 11 equals 11 times 20. What will be our answer?
220.
220. Very good, Amsin. Is that Amsin? Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So in commutative property, even we arrange the numbers in any order, we will get the same answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's go on with associative property. So in associative property, we have also addition and multiplication. We also have two, okay? Multiplication and addition. If we say addition, we add. Okay, here is an example. Okay, here. So if we write this in number, it's 3 plus open parenthesis 2 plus 4 and close parenthesis equals open parenthesis 3 plus 2 close parenthesis plus 4 equals, what will be our answer? This is very
9.
hard.
9.
You can unmute your mic if you want to answer, okay?
9.
9.
8? Do we have 8?
No,
What is our answer?
9.
9. Okay, 9. Thank you. So here is another example. 8 plus 6, okay, 8 plus 6 plus 3 equals 8 plus 6 plus 3. So we put the parentheses in different place. So what will be our answer here?
17.
17. So even if we put the parentheses in different place, we will get the same answer. Even if we put the numbers in different or in any order, we will get the same answer. Next, we have 4 plus 9 plus 7. What is our answer?
20.
20. So here we have 4 plus 9 plus 7 equals 4 plus 9 plus 7. Or we can arrange this as 7 plus 9 plus 4. We will still get the same answer. You understand?
Yes.
Yes. So in commutative, we have two numbers. In associative property, we have three numbers. Okay? Easy to memorize. Here is another example. 12 plus 3 plus 6. Answer is
21.
21. Very good. Next, we go to associative property of multiplication. So a while ago, it's addition. Now it's multiplication. So when three or more numbers are added or multiplied, the sum or product will remain the same regardless of how the numbers are grouped. Example. So 4 times 2 times 3. We group this part, we separate 4. Okay. Next, here in the next group, we separated 3. So what is our answer?
24.
24. Very good. Here is another examples. Any other students who wants to answer? You can unmute your microphone.
120.
Very good. 120. You can unmute your microphone if you want to answer. Next example. 12 times 8 times 7. Bring out your pen and paper or your calculator. Anyone?
672.
Okay, let's try. So it's 12 times 8 times 7. 672.
72.
Very good. Next, last one. 10 times 4 times 15. You can do like this. 4 times 15 is,
600.
to make it easier, it's 4 times 15 is 60 times 10 is 600. Very good. So let's go on with distributive property. Product of the sum or difference of two numbers is the same as the sum or difference of their products. Okay, it's like this. This is a little bit harder. Okay, so it will be 3 times 2. Okay, plus 3 times 5. Get it? Okay, it will be like that. What is our answer? Sugat? Okay, Sugat. What is our answer? So 3 times 2 plus 3 times 5.
teacher.
It's okay. Okay, let's go. Let's start.
21 นะ
Okay, very good. 21, 21, 21. So in distributive property, you have to distribute the first number. So our first number here is 3. Can you see it? So our first number here is 3. So we have to distribute. So it will be 3 times 2. So there is 3 here. 3. Okay. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 5. So we distribute the number 3. Okay. Let's go on with other examples. Here, it's 8 times 7 plus 6. So it's 8 times 7. Wait, I will draw. So it's 8 times 7 plus 8 times 6. See, 8 times 7 and 8 times 6. What is our answer? Kiki, you have answer? Anyone who can answer? Max? Do you want to answer? Yes. Anyone can answer? Yes, you can answer. Anyone can answer. Sugat, you can. Just unmute your microphone.
104.
104. Very good. Next example is 2 times 12 plus 2 times 10. Anyone can answer?
44.
44. Very good. Yes, 44. Next, we have 3 times 3 plus 3 times 7. Easy.
30.
30. Very good. Okay. So do you understand this distributive property?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here, tell me if it's commutative, associative, or distributive. Number 1, 5 plus 8 equals 8 plus 5.
Commutative.
Commutative. Very good. Next, number 2, 6 times 4 times 4. Okay, remember, commutative, we have 2 numbers. Associative, we have 3 numbers. And distributive, we have to distribute the first number. For this number 2, what is our answer? Commutative, associative, or distributive? Any answer? Yes, Sugat? Commutative or associative? When we have 3 numbers, what is our answer? Okay, this is associative. Can you say it again? Associative. Okay, this is associative property. Next, 9 times 7 equals 7 times 9. Anyone can answer?
Commutative. Property.
Commutative. Very good. Number 4, 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4.
Distributive.
Very good. Distributive. Next, 7 times 3 times 4. We have 3 numbers. This is commutative, associative, or distributive?
Associative.
Associative. Very good. Next, we have 5 plus 9 equals 9 plus 5.
Commutative. Commutative.
Commutative. Very
Commutative.
good. Next, we have 12 plus 7 plus 9. Commutative, associative, or distributive property?
Associative.
Associative. Very good. Next, we have 63 times 47.
Commutative.
Again,
Commutative.
commutative
Commutative.
property. Very good. Number 9. 554 plus 621. Again,
Commutative.
commutative. Very good. And the last number is 3 times 89 plus 3 times 72.
Commutative.
Again,
Distributive.
distributive property. Very good. Example of commutative property. Who can give? Addition. Who can give another example on commutative property of addition? So our example here is 5 plus 8 equals 8 plus 5. Who can give another example?
9
Add
plus
two again.
8.
8.
9 plus 8.
8 plus 9 equals 9 plus 8. Very good. Anyone
Yeah.
else? Is there anyone else who wants to give an example?
Yep.
Kiki, example of commutative property of addition.
9 plus 6 equals 6 plus 9.
Okay, very good. Who else? Anyone else? No more. Okay, how about commutative property of multiplication? Example, 9 times 7 equals 7 times 9. Who else can give an example? Okay, Kiki.
5 times 7 equals 7 times 5.
Okay, 5 times 7 equals 7 times 5. Who else wants to give an example? Any other students? Yes, Sugat.
2 times 3. 3 times 2.
Okay, 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. Very good. So only that.
มาแล้ว
Now we will, okay, we only have 1 minute left. So do you have any questions?
No,
Do you have any questions?
no.
No?
Maybe.
But did you understand our lesson?
Yes.
Yes, I need.
Yes, you did. So that's all for today, and I'll see you again
Sorry.
next week.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
You doing?
Goodbye.
Bye, birthday.
Bye.